हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल कॉमर्स विलेज। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ 12th स्टैंडर्ड का इकोनॉमिक्स का फर्स्ट चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइज। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, द ब्रांच ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स दैट डील्स विद द लोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज। इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, only A. It is a microeconomics. Okay. Then second, concept studied under microeconomics. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4. It is a C and D. Means factor pricing and product pricing. Then third, method adopted in microeconomic analysis. इसका सही आंसर है थर्ड ऑप्शन, ओनली सी. इट मीन्स अ स्लाइसिंग मेथड. देन फोर्थ है कंसेप्ट स्टडीड अंडर मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, ए, बी एंड सी. इट मीन्स अ होल इकोनॉमी, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड थर्ड एग्रीगेट सप्लाई. सो दिस इज द आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. Question number 2, complete the correlation. First is microeconomics slicing method, macroeconomics lumping method. Second, microeconomics trees and macroeconomics forest. Third, macroeconomic theory में income and employment and microeconomics आंसर है theory of product pricing, theory of factor pricing, theory of economic welfare. Then fourth, macroeconomics, micros microeconomics. And fifth is general equilibrium, macroeconomics, and partial equilibrium, microeconomics. This is the answer. Question number 3, identify and explain the concepts from the given illustration. First illustration is Gauri collected the information about the income of a particular firm. So इसका आंसर है, इसकी कंसेप्ट है स्टडी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल इकोनॉमिक यूनिट, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. और हम इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. द स्टडी ऑफ economic behavior of a particular unit by isolating it from the other forces of economy is known as the study of individual economic unit. For example, microeconomics deals with the study of individual economic units such as individual firm, individual price, etc. Okay. Then second, Ramesh decided to take all decisions related to production, such as what and how to produce. So, identified concept है business decision in a free market economy. इसको explain करेंगे. In a free market economy, producer has to make some decisions in order to achieve efficiency in production. Such decisions are called business decisions in a free market economy. The producer has to take business decisions regarding the price of the product, production costs, etc. In case of business decisions in a free market economy, there is no intervention by the government or any other agency. Okay, so third illustration is Shabana paid wages to workers in her factory and interest on her bank loan. So identified concept is payment of factor, price or reward. Then explanation of concept. The factors of production is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur are essential for the production of goods. These factors of production get rewards in the form of rent, wages, interest, and profit, respectively, from the producer for participating in the production process.